What's up, man? Steve. Steve? How you doing, bro? Started streaming a little early. Um, we have about 20 minutes before market open. Trade futures, bro? Looking at the 15 minutes charts here. Kind of weird we got a wick. Not sure where it is from. Yeah, this is definitely weird. I don't see it on my other chart. Niche. Yo, I've been waiting for this. Nothing crazy, man. Just a first stream. Don't expect many viewers. Just hop on and chill for a bit before we actually start trading. Okay, so let's go over the daily buys. Yes, let's do that. Whoops, not sure what that is. Start with the daily chart. Pull up the continuous contract. NQ, or CME. NQ is somewhere down here. Alright. Okay. See if they have a continuous contract, because that's what we're looking for. They might not have it. NQQ. No, this should be it. Okay, so they don't have a continuous contract, which kind of sucks, but so it's daily chart. We have this gap we're looking at. They came down. There's a equal low somewhere over here. Can't really see it. It's like here, and there's another low here. Almost the same equal low. So I'm looking for them to drop back down towards this low. Not all in one day, of course, but looking for this to continue going lower. That's the daily chart. Let's go on the hourly chart. Let's see here. This low right here stands out to me. These lows here. So I think they're going down here. Of course, we have this over here, which we could go up, but I'm more favored towards them going towards these lows. So yeah, that's the hourly chart. Looking at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so you can ignore this wick. Not sure why it's like this. Maybe something to do with rhythmic, maybe. But these highs here, man, it's like very jagged. Like if you look at this, jagged. It's very jagged. So I don't think they'll go up here. They could, but I don't think they'll go up here. We have these highs here. If anything, they could take these highs out, but who knows? We'll see. I'm more favored towards these lows over here. For them to go lower. If they start moving higher, then I'll probably target this high, take a long, stab it long, and for them to go higher. Yeah, we'll see though. So yeah, right now we're just waiting to open, see what they want to do. Do they want to go lower, or do they want to go towards these highs over here? So yeah, we're just waiting. We have about 15 minutes left before open. There's no news this week, so I'm not expecting like a crazy move. Coming Monday. Yeah, Monday maybe they don't need to go all the way down. We just need to catch a portion, like just a small piece. We don't need the whole thing. So we're not looking for them to crash to just maybe move towards the downside. We have these lows over here as well. Just takes out these highs here, but not sure if they'll take these highs out. They could, but not too crazy about these. Why? Because of this. This high here was made. They swept this, swept it again, swept it a third time, then went lower. So odds are they won't take this high out. They could, but who knows? We'll see. Think about it after. And this is just a random gap I found. I'm using over here. And, nothing special about it. Just trying to see. It's like a gauge. See what they want to do. Do they want to go towards these lows here or towards these highs? They could sweep this high and then start going lower towards these low because they're leaving these open right now. From here would be about 45 points more or less. Nothing over here that I want to target specifically. Just because how jagged this is. It's not very good target. Maybe here? Maybe here. Maybe not. But if they're gonna go there, they might as well go over here. That's the upside. Here, maybe? Nah, I don't like this high. Because of this right here. This move. Jagged. So yeah, I'm more favored towards the downside. I'm waiting for them to sweep something on the upside, like sweep this high or these highs right here. Sweep it and then start breaking down and I take a short somewhere. Then we go lower. So that's the plan. We're looking for a short. But if they want to go higher, we'll hop on and see if they want to go towards this high. Just a lot of room to run. This high, not my favorite, because they swept this. So yeah, the upside is not something I would prefer, but I'll be in there if they go higher. Daily bias to go lower, man. Daily's bias, the bias is lower. This is an hourly chart. Like these lows here, I'm looking for them to go lower. They on the hourly chart they swept this, like all this stuff right here, everything swept. So it makes sense for them to go lower today. We'll see though. But yeah, these lows here. There's a lot of points. I don't think they may not do today, because from here to here is like 450 points. It's a big drop. But yeah, this direction I'm looking for to go lower. We just need to catch like 90 or 100 some point. So just a chunk. Just a small piece. We don't need the whole thing. Okay, I don't know what this is, but pretty cool to see. Maybe it's indicating something. But yeah, I'm waiting for them to sweep something. Like sweep this high here, or sweep this high, then start breaking down to go lower. That's the plan. So they could sweep this high on open, which is like 10 minutes. Open in 10 minutes, we sweep this high, then we start breaking down, go lower, lower. Sweep this, break down below this gap, retest it. I short at the retest, then we just smooth sailing. There's really nothing to the left that's like a good target. Like say you were long right now. This could be a decent target, but it's not like a good target. For me at least. We don't have news this week, so it might just be choppy or just slow movement. Right now it's a bunch of nothing. The best thing I can see right now is these lows over here. Great target. They swept it like a few times. First, second, third, but they left this open since 7 a.m. Kind of crazy how we have 3 viewers, man. I didn't expect this many people. Just got my first payout. Was it approved? Has the payout been approved? It's never guaranteed yet till it's approved, man. It's approved? Nice. They're generally they're pretty quick with it. So now you gotta wait, I think about 3 to 5 business days. So you should get it sometime middle of this week or end of the week. Got the email? Yeah. As soon as they approve it, your balance will drop. So that means that you're gonna get your money. So it doesn't matter how much, if you blow the account, however much you request, they're gonna pay you out. My account's balance dropped. Got the email. Yeah. That's a good thing. So if you blow your account today, for whatever reason, you're still gonna get your payout. Yeah, you can still trade on it. If the balance dropped, that means they debited. No, is it credit or debit? Yeah, debit. They debit the amount from your account, so you can just trade on it. You can blow it, and you'll still get your money. I think the chat is delayed like 10 seconds. So you send a message, it might be 10 seconds delayed. Same for the chart as well. Alright, see if they sweep this high. We open in 5 minutes. I don't think whatever move they make on the upside, I think it's gonna be a fake. Unless, I don't know. We'll have to see. Like if they go above these highs, I think it's just gonna be a sweep for them to go lower. Like these lows right here, they're not gonna hold. They're gonna take these lows out, and I think they're going towards these lows here, which is a lot of points. Just from here to here is like 300 points, but I think they're gonna go towards these lows. Who knows? I could be wrong though. We'll take a long if it looks good, but for now I'm looking for a short. So I'm waiting for them to sweep something like this high right here. They're sweeping this high right now. Sweep. Let's see them sweep this high if they can. We have a little tiny gap in here. Open in 3 minutes. Open in 2 minutes, more or less. Or 1 minute and 14 seconds. Again, no news this week, so not expecting any crazy moves. We're just gonna play the range that they give us. Lows here, highs here. Maybe these highs at best if we're looking to go long. But it's not enough room. It's about 50 points if we buy from here to here. And from here to here is about 30 points. Above these highs we have these. This is the overnight highs, which is pretty far. But if they're gonna go higher, this would be their target. This high here, or these highs. But I don't think they're going towards these highs. We'll see though. Alright, market just open. Taking this high out right now. Make sure it's working. Yeah, it's working normal, which is good. Alright, these highs are swept. Left a pretty large wick. If they start going lower, get below this gap, I will short on the retest of this gap. So we short. Okay, so they're doing all this in one go. Okay, can be a little cautious here. Okay, so swept this within 2 minutes of market open, which is totally fine. Still looking for a short though, because we're short bias. Just be patient, and not much to do here. So we short here, our stops will be up here. I do like this gap. Get rid of this one. Yeah, I do like this gap. 30-second. Just gonna wait on it. Take a short if you go back up here. This wick? No, that's eco wicks. So they didn't dip into this yet. Let me get rid of this line right here. This line as well. Alright. Make the chart more clean. See if they dip back into this gap. Alright, we're in shorts. Let me get rid of this. It's alright, see if they want to keep pushing lower. Stops in the upper quadrant. They could stop us out here, which is totally fine. If they stop us out here and go higher, we'll look for another trade. They might stop us out here. Very close. Alright, we're stopped out. First loss on the day. We can take one more trade. Just gonna be patient. We have time. Might sweep this out here. If they get back below this gap, the midpoint, they make a close back below and retest it, I'll get back in. Alright. As soon as they close back below, I'll take a retest of this gap. try another short here. See if we get filled. Almost got filled. Alright, we're in short. Last trade of the day. Might just stop us out. We'll see. See if they want to continue lower. Could get stopped out here. Very easy for him to do so. So choppy, you said? A little bit choppy, yeah. Might get stopped out here. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this price action. Don't try to follow my trades, by the way. You're probably gonna lose. But looking this was made jagged right here. Stops ran here on both sides. They took this first, took this second. And this here, they don't have to run this wick to run stop. They could have, but they don't have to. They just gotta run like the middle of this. If say, where's the Fibonacci? Right here. Okay, so can we extend this to the right? Right ray. Let's find color. Label the line. Oh, let's make it yellow. Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, this right here, they don't have to run this wick to run stops. They ran this wick, but they did not close above this. So this is good enough to be called a stop run. This right here, this close right here tells you a lot, especially when they're running this wick, which is good. So this is good for our side. We almost got stopped out, but we didn't, so we're still in the trade. Oh yeah, let me draw the thingy just to look cool. Where do we get in at? I think we got in right here. There we go. See if they want to keep pushing lower. Very choppy though. They could go all the way up, take our stops and go lower, or they could drop right now. Who knows? We have our trade and we're just saying we watch. Are you guys in a trade right now? Anybody else in a trade? The best? Ton? Let me highlight this gap right here. See if they want to inverse it again. They inversed it here. See if they want to hold this. If they don't want to hold this, this tells us they want to go lower. So that's why it's good to draw this gap out. You don't see this on the 1 minute chart. Only on the 30-second. For them to inverse this again, they will need to close back below. You caught a little shorty. Okay. Nice. Good short. Was it a scalp? Was it like 10-point scalp or something? Short trade. We're holding this to the end. We're not closing this out yet. Holding this all the way to the end, to our TP. We'll move our stop once they take this low out. If they take this low out, we'll probably trail down to here, almost break even. Okay, so they ran these 2 wicks right here with this right here. See if they want to keep going lower. They could retest this gap as well. We'll see. But these lows are left open for them to sweep later. My stop is out here. Maybe. No way they don't stop us out here, right? We're this close to be stopped out. Rashik, what's up, bro? Welcome, man. Stream's about to end, cause as soon as they stop us out, we're done for the day. This is our second loss. We took 1 loss earlier, trying to short this. Why are you not trailing your stop loss? I do trail it, but not yet. I will trail it as soon as they take this low out. They did not take the low out on this drop down here, because we shorted here, right? Yeah, we shorted here, and on this drop down they didn't take this low out, so I didn't trail my stop loss. So say they take this low out, like this low, let me draw it. Say they take this low out, then I would trail my stop to break even, or somewhere up here. probably show 2 here, which is basically break even. So as soon as they take this low out here, then I'm gonna show it, but not yet, because they haven't taken people out yet here. So there's no reason for me to show my stop yet. I'll take the full loss if they stop me out, but if not, is whatever. It's not a big deal if they stop us out here. Totally fine. We just have a losing day. Take a trade yet, Rashik? Or are you just watching? Very choppy morning. You just look at this, just go back and forth, back and forth. Do they want to go higher? Maybe. I don't know, honestly. I favor the downside, but who knows? We do have some stuff up here, but I still favor the downside. Very long trade, man. Been holding this for about 10-20 minutes. Just gotta drop 100 points, give us our TP. That would be nice. Now they left these highs here. Like, see these here? 1, 2, 3. 3 highs here, which would give them a reason for them to go higher. But also these lows here. So it's like 50-50. You're not sure what they're gonna do first. Are they gonna take this high out, or are they gonna take these lows out? You're not really sure, but you're already in the trade, so you just sit and you watch. Not much you can really do, honestly. I think for the worst, so I'm thinking they're gonna probably take my stops out. Hopefully not, but if they do, it's whatever. Just have a losing day. Will be our first losing day since last week, I think. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. macro, expecting original gap to fill. Original gap. Are you talking about the big move up from Friday? Talking about this gap right here? You can ignore this wick. This wick is weird. But yeah. I think you're talking about this gap right here. Original gap. Like this is the first gap on the 15 minute. So yeah, they might stop us out here. We're like 10 points away from being stopped out. Opening range gap. Oh, RTH gap. So you're thinking about them going higher. So this is the opening range from overnight. So, and yeah, this is the overnight range. They've been dropping ever since. Stop us out here maybe. Run these wicks and might as well run my stop as well. Yeah, RTH gap. That's a big RTH gap, I see it. So yeah, you're looking for them to go higher. Good luck, man. Good luck. If you're in a trade, good luck. A good thing to know if you're long is these highs here. It's very obvious. Like they There's stops above here, obvious stops. So they could go towards these if you're long. If I was long, I would be looking to target these at least. Like these highs over here. Okay, so they ran these wicks. See if they run our stop as well. Might get stopped out here. Okay, we're stopped out. Second loss on the day. Totally fine. Do they want to go towards this? Maybe. Not sure. I'm done for today though. That was our second loss. Yeah, put this thing back on. So yeah, shorter here, stopped out, shorter here and stopped out here. So yeah, that's our second loss. Totally fine. Yeah, thanks, man. Hey, if y'all are still in the trade or keep trading, good luck. Trade well. Don't overtrade. Try not overtrade. There's no news this week, so it might be choppy. So yeah, don't stick around too long. If you take whatever amount of loss you are, just stop for a day. You went long? Nice. Good luck, man. This would be a great target for them to go if you're long. This right here. Alright, thanks guys. I'm gonna call here.